Did the ECB make the right decision?
Yes, I think so. They communicated very clearly months ago already that they are on this trajectory to tighten monetary policy. And I think they did the right thing also in view and despite the casualty in the US with Silicon Valley Bank and the troubles and worries around Credit Suisse. Of course, the Fed and the ECB are somewhat between a rock and a hard place, taking care on one side of financial system stability, bringing back confidence into the banking sector, but at the same time remaining on a trajectory to contain inflation with the goal to get back somewhere to target rates.
Confidence is the operable word here with regard to Europe's banking system. And let's bring in the Swiss National Bank and the loan programme to Credit Suisse. Does that amount to a BandAid solution when major surgery is required at Credit Suisse to restore confidence and credibility?
Well, confidence is one thing. That's key, of course. And that manifests in deposits leaving the bank. And that's, of course, a problem. And that has been accentuated by the collapse really in the share price and in doubling of the credit default swaps. Therefore, it was absolutely timely and right that the regulator and the Swiss National Bank would state a clear commitment and also throw a liquidity line to Credit Suisse. But that's the first step. The government met this afternoon, no communication yet, but tomorrow is Friday. And I would expect that policymakers are going to step up tomorrow and over the weekend to take the next steps to bring back orderly conditions into this situation.
So what should we do then in terms of exposure to the European bank? Should we own Credit Suisse? Should we own Deutsche Bank?
Well, one thing is counterparty risk and exposure. And there, very clearly, the deposit bases of the European banks are much more diversified and stable overall. And these too big to fail banks have basically implicit guarantees by the policymakers. So I would not worry about counterparty risk at all, also not in the case of Credit Suisse. That's one thing. The other thing is, as an investor, whether you would be invested in bonds or in equities. And here, clearly, my view is I would not be invested in equities in European banks at large.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.